Hey. Naim pakai sana. Sound ada. உனக்கு என்ன அவு மாதிரி இங்கிலீஷ் தட்டு கொடுக்குமா ஏங்க when a dog was standing near of a rat hole, the rat becomes very angry. The rat was come before the hole and make things when he was very angry. The rat was digging the hole and crashing the sand to the out of the hole, where the dog was seeing it, where I am shooting it. The rat is very angry, and I am become very slowly, and I am பேச்சு முடிச்சுக்கிறேன்.